Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Pop Mart Error 500. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To fix Pop Mart Error 500, there are several methods you can try. Start by signing out of your account and then logging back in. This can often refresh your session and clear any temporary glitches. If that doesn't resolve the issue, proceed to the next steps involving your device settings. Go to your phone's settings and use the search bar to type and select iPhone storage. Once you're in the storage section, scroll through your list of installed applications or sort them by name by tapping Size to make it easier to find Pop Mart. When you locate the app, tap on it and choose Offload App. This will remove the app from your device but keep its data, ensuring you won't be signed out. Offloading helps fix issues by verifying and refreshing the app's internal files without losing your login information. If the problem still persists, try switching your internet connection. For instance, if you're currently on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data and vice versa. A poor or unstable connection can sometimes trigger a 500 server error when the app fails to communicate properly with its servers. After trying these steps, signing out and back in, offloading the app, and switching your internet connection, your Pop Mart app should ideally be working correctly. If none of these methods work, you might want to wait a bit and try again later, as Error 500 can sometimes be caused by server-side issues that are out of your control. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Pop Mart Error 500. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.